Hi, welcome to my channel. On today's video, we'll be looking at the 5 best free antivirus software for your Windows. I tested every single free antivirus I could find for Windows 7, 8, 10, and I looked at their malware protection capability, their users interface, and their reputation for safeguarding your users' privacy. I wasn't surprised to find that only a few free antivirus offer decent protection for Windows PC. Free antiviruses can be risky. Some free antivirus protect your PCs, but the products are actually malwares in disguise, and they are designed to steal your private information and damage your computer. Even reputable internet security companies have been caught stealing users' data with their free antivirus software. So you can have a careful rethink whenever you want to download or pay for any antivirus. That said, there are some free antivirus programs that offers improvements over Windows built-in protections. These are free 5 downloads. Each offers free virus protection and a good set of free internet security features for your Windows. Of course, every free antivirus is going to include a few frustrating limitations. That's why I always recommend investing a couple of your money or a couple of your cents into premium antivirus software that include protections against all type of malwares, coming with complete internet security features like VPN, password manager, parental control, or dark web monitoring. But before I continue listing the 5 best antivirus you can get for your computer, I'll please urge you to subscribe to my channel, give me a thumb up, and share my videos. You can recommend it for others, and also click the notification button so that whenever I post my video or my lecture, you'll be able to get it first. So let's get started. So number 1 here is Avira. Avira is a free antivirus window ever since, and 2020 it made up the best. Number 2, we have Panda. Panda is a strong antivirus protections with a beginner-friendly interface. Number 3, Sulfur. Sulfur, good real-time scanning with remote access for 3 PCs. Then we have the Kaspersky, free extras like a VPN, dark web monitoring, and a password manager. Then we also have the Bitdefender. The Bitdefender is simple free antivirus with low CPU loads. Before I move on to explain each of these antiviruses in a way that you will understand it very well and why I have fixed it among the 5 best, I want to give you what I called my rating formula, why these 5 made the top 5 list of my best antivirus. One of the rating formula I have here is my malware detections. I downloaded a lot of over 10,000 malware files onto my test PC, so I did it with it. Then the next formula I used is the additional features. Which of the antiviruses has additional features for beginners, for pros, and for advanced. So another one I use is easy use, like users friendly. Is it very users friendly and others? So the last one I use is genuinely free. Most of these antivirus, they'll tell you that it's free, but at the back of it, at the lining coding, you see that most of them aren't free at all. So these are the 4 formulas I use in rating them to have met up with my top 5 best. Get started by analyzing some of the features these antiviruses have and know why it's rated among the best. So number 1 we have here is Avira. Avira free security for Windows is actually my favorite free window antivirus. It's my favorite. It has one of the best antivirus malware engines on the market. It includes more free features than any other competitor, and is very easy to use and it's intuitive. Avira's virus scanner operates in the cloud, So its detection analysis doesn't actually take place on your PC, making Avira extremely fast, lightweight, and low on system resource. Avira's anti-malware engine detected all the malware files in my testing, and I was able to run TP intensive programs during scan with almost zero shutdown. The paid program like McAfee and Newton are equally effective in detecting malwares, but their full disk scan will slow down your system much more than Avira's will. Avira free antivirus also comes with some excellent extra features such as safe shopping browsing extension, privacy and performance optimization, VPN, which is up to 500 MB monthly limit. We also have password manager in it, game booster, firewall, file shelter, and more. So with some of these features, you see where I've actually fixed among the top 5 best antiviruses that we have around today. So I recommend it for you to get it for your PCs, for your computers, and for other of your systems that you need to fix antiviruses to. I bet you will enjoy it and you'll be happy that I actually recommended it to you. Number 2 on my list is actually Panda. Panda free antivirus for Windows. It's a lightweight, secured, and easy to use. During my test, Panda antivirus scanner detected significantly more hardware, spyware, ransomware files than Windows Defender. Panda real-time protection also performed really well, blocking most of the malware files I tried downloading to my PC. I also like that Panda has a gaming mode in its free antivirus. That's good and great. Whenever you're playing in a game or watching a video in full screen, Panda automatically suspends notification. These notification stuffs are actually boring, especially when you're watching a movie and in the actions, a notification pops in. It's really crazy. Another thing that makes Panda a good choice for Windows users is the rescue kit features, which allows you to download the bootable versions of Panda to a USB drive and then use the USB drive to clean an infected PC and get it up and running again. Panda free antivirus also comes with secured VPN. It provides fast connection speed, but it has a limited offer, 150 MB per day. This is a big improvement over Avira's 500 MB per month. But it's still not really enough for streaming or file sharing. Panda VPN also lets you only access one server, so it's not good for unblocking geo-restricted content. You can only get unlimited VPN data on the Panda Dome Premium, which also offers useful extras like a firewall, anti-pitching protections, advanced system turning up tools, a password manager, a parental control. All of Panda Premium plans comes with a 30-day money-backed guarantee. All of Panda Premium. So the bottom line is actually that Panda free antivirus is a good, easy to use antivirus, offering 100% free time malware protections. With lightweight malware scanning, an automatic gaming mode, a rescue kit, and a VPN, Panda is an excellent free internet security product. However, the VPN is limited to 150 MB per day on a single server. If you want unlimited VPN access, another extra like a firewall, anti-phishing password manager, and parental control, you will need upgrade. Panda offers 4 different pricing tiers for paid users, so it's easy to find the right plan for you. Or you can just give Panda free a try and upgrade later. The number 3 on my list is Software Home Free. This is one of the best easy remote management you can get around. Software Home Free offers pretty good anti-malware protections. I will tell you that it's true. It also includes some helpful web protections and cover up to 3 PCs. In my antivirus testing, Software was able to detect a decent amount of malware threats, but it missed all my tests on ransomware files. Software free version doesn't include ransomware protections, which is a big problem. Software also offers basic anti-phishing protections that are better than Chrome built-in protections, but they are definitely not as good as Antivirus. I really like software remote management features. Yes, I really do. You can access antivirus scanning and real-time protections update on up to 3 devices through the software online dashboard. Now that's great stuff to hear about. But in addition to multi-device protections and remote management, software is also a decent choice for families because it has free parental control. However, software parental controls are pretty basic. You can only choose which categories of sites you're blocking. If you're looking for advanced parental controls like app scheduling and location tracking, you should consider a premium antivirus like the Newton 360 Deluxe. Yeah, I should go for that. It's one of the best. Software Home Free is a pretty good, they add advanced malwares and ransomware scanning, additional web protections, and cover for up to 10 devices, and it has a 30 days money back guarantee. Additional web. So the bottom line here is that software offers pretty good antivirus scanning and remote management for up to 3 devices, which is pretty good. It's gorgeous for them to have come up to that extent. Software free version also has basic parental control. Yeah, it's only for content filtering actually, and anti-phishing protections it also has. Users looking for a coverage on up to 10 devices can access this. It's just good for them. Advanced malwares, ransom protection, and advanced web safety tools should upgrade to software home premium. So software, it's one of the best and best you can get around, so I recommend it for you and I advise you go for it if you really want good protections and parental controls, phishing and all that for your home. And if you have more than one PCs or devices, you can actually go for this software to actually help you a lot and make your work easy, because you don't need to go buying different antiviruses for different devices. You can actually use it for up to 3 of your devices, so that it's where it has its own advantage. Yeah. The number 3 on my list is the number 4 on my list is Kaspersky Security Cloud. Yeah, Kaspersky Security Cloud, it's good malware detections, plus let me say decent extra other features that it has. So let's look at this Kaspersky Security Cloud. It's actually good for detecting and removing malwares, and it also comes with plenty of extras. The extras may include VPN. The VPN is up to 200 MB daily limit, which is pretty good, very good. And additions to other ones I've seen around. It also has password managers like 15 extra limits. It has data breach monitoring on only one account actually. Basic system cleanup tools it has, file shelter it has, Then it also has virtual keyboards. Kasper free antivirus provides good real-time malware protections, but its additional features are very limited. Kasper VPN provides 200 MB per day, more daily data than Panda and Antivirus, but still not enough for streaming or other data-heavy tasks. Kasper also only lets free users connect to one cyber location, so you won't be able to access geo-locked content. And Kasper's free password manager only saves a total of 15 entries. This includes both logins and sensitive documents like your credit card and passport details. I can't say I am too impressed with Kasper's. Kaspersky due to the data breach monitoring. I have issues with that. The free users can also click the email associated with the Kaspersky account, and they have to do it manually, unlike paid customers who get automatic data breach checks. If you like Kaspersky interface and you want access to its unlimited VPN password managers, parental controls, and web protection, then you will have to upgrade to one of the Kaspersky paid plans. All Kaspersky's purchase includes a 30 days money back guarantee, just like others we have seen around. So the bottom line is that Kaspersky Antivirus comes with a good malware scanner and a ton of additional features, but most of them are very limited in functionality. Kaspersky VPN has a daily cap of 200 MB. The password manager lets you store up to 15 logins and credit cards, and the data breach monitoring only checks one email address. Upgrading to one of the Kaspersky's paid plan gets you all these features without any limitations, plus extra like parental controls, advanced web protections, and more features without any. The last on my list, and actually the fifth, is the Bitfinder Antivirus. It's a very simple free antivirus scanner. Bitfinder is a very good choice for users looking for a simple antivirus scanners that do not need to think about after installations. Bitfinder cloud-based anti-malware engine is designed to run in background with essential notifications in case of suspicious programs activities. Malware scans, detections, and removal happen automatically unless you decide to adjust the settings. Bitfinder detects almost all the malwares in my test, including tricky files like the adwares and the rootkits. It also scanned my device faster than any other product on the list. Bitfinder anti-phishing and fraud protections features are pretty good as well. Bitfinder flagged all the latest known phishing sites and alerted me when I was asked to enter private data onto 3 different suspicious web forms. Bitfinder free plans is good for detecting malwares, phishing sites, but not as much as else. If you are looking for features, features like a firewall, performance optimization tools, a password manager, maybe parental controls, or a VPN, then you should get Bitfinder Total Security. It provides all those features for up to 5 devices. It's reasonably priced. It has a 30 days money back guarantee. So the bottom line is that Bitfinder has a cloud-based scanner with excellent detection rate. It includes an anti-phishing protections. Very easy to use. It's very easy to use. Bitfinder free antivirus is a good choice for users only looking for basic free malware protections without any extra features. However, I'm a big fan of Bitfinder paid antivirus suite, which provides a really good range of features for less money than most competing internet security packages we have around. So what's the catch with all these antiviruses? The catch is that this is just the best 5 you can get anywhere. There is so much out there that will actually, some of them are in disguise. So just go get any of these 5 and you will actually be happy that you've done. You need to make a choice, because the internet today is actually crowded with a lot of viruses, a lot of people trying to hijack your files and others. So thanks to you for listening to me. So I would say thanks for actually watching. My special thanks goes to my subscribers and those actually watching. And if you've not subscribed, I say please go and subscribe. Click the notification button, like my video, share, and a whole lot of other things. I say thanks and God bless you. We'll actually look forward to doing this again. So as soon as you have clicked the notification button and subscribe, you get all my videos. Thank you and remember this. It's always me.